Hi, my name's Jane. I'm just coming on to put on some makeup today and I thought you might like to join me. I'm just starting off with a moisturizer, which is so important for me. It's this one. Good for being out in the sun. It's got SPF 50. So not that we have very much sun in Northern Ireland, but at the moment it's excellent for my skin type, which is dry. Now I am ready to put on some concealer around my eyes, and I'm using this product, from Sephora. We don't need very much of it, just a little touch. As we know, sometimes less is more, particularly as we get older. Then I use this product, and again I got a new one of these whenever I was on holiday, and the last one, it had lasted me so well. Literally just need a drop of it. Really good coverage, and it's staying power as well. It's very, very good. I love this product from it. So just put that on all around the face, giving a nice coverage and a nice sheen. Okay, so that's the base, pretty well done, and I'm ready now to apply the Core 4 from the Pearl Beauty range, which I love. I'm going to start off with the darker one of the 4, which is Real Depth, and I'm going to use it for contouring, just to give a wee bit of definition to my cheeks. I have quite full cheeks, always have had, and I love the whole idea that I can just give them a little bit more of a shape with such a lovely product, which not only defines the cheeks but also gives a nice sheen. And then I just move up really to the next one, which is the Put Together. I use a little brush to just go above the line where I have contoured, bring it right up to my forehead, into my hairline. Then we're going on to the peachier shade, which is the Easy Going. Normally this one I would just tap on my cheeks just for a little bit of color, and also I like to put a little bit just in the arch of my eyes, just to give that little highlight as well. Finish off with, I'm not going to brush that in just yet because I'm going to finish off with the Girl Next Door, the pink, which I just love the pink, I really do. And I suppose I'm a pink girl, so that's why it's a particular favourite to me. Just rub it in the bottom of my chin, little touch, shine up my lips. And the final thing I like to do, and this is a little refreshing eye cream, which you just put on in the mornings, and it makes your eyes really nice and cool and feel fresh. And I just like to dab a little bit of that around the outside of my eyes, just to give them a sharp shock to really waken them up in the morning. There we are. That's my look, and I know it's got staying power, and I know I might just have to touch up in the afternoon a tiny little bit of this, but that's only because I love it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, especially my Core 4.